Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. So on this episode, I'll show you 2 ways to use chickpea flour to make delicious savory chickpea recipes. These 2 recipes are high in protein and incredibly easy. So let's dive in. So the first recipe is a crispy golden chickpea fritter straight from the south of France. It's naturally gluten-free, vegan, and seriously addictive. And the second recipe is a delicious and easy chickpea flour bake. It's high in protein, vegetarian, and packed with flavor. So let's get started with the first recipe, which is the panisse. Add 2 cups of water to a pot, followed by half teaspoon of salt. Then bring the salt water to a boil. Reduce the heat and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now slowly whisk in 1 cup of chickpea flour. Keep stirring. We want a smooth, lump-free batter. It should look like thick polenta by the end, creamy and smooth. But if you added the chickpea flour like I did, you will definitely get lumps. To fix this, just blend the batter until the lumps disappear. Next, pour the batter into a greased dish or tray. Smooth the top and let it cool. Then put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. It needs time to set. Once it's firm, cut the panisse into steaks, squares, or even wedges, whatever shape you like. Heat frying oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat. About 450 degrees Celsius is the perfect temperature to start frying. Fry the pieces until golden and crispy on all sides. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. When they're ready, drain them on paper towels. Serve hot with your favorite dips. I prefer mayonnaise and ketchup. And there you have it, crispy and so simple to make panisse. Oh, just a quick reminder before we continue with the next recipe. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. This chickpea flour bake is also a very high protein meal and it's very delicious. So to begin, in a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups, about 240 grams of chickpea flour. Next, add 1 teaspoon each of cumin, turmeric, garlic powder, and salt. Pour in 350 milliliters of water. Now drizzle in a little olive oil, just enough to lightly grease your baking dish later, and whisk everything into a smooth batter. Add 100 grams of fresh spinach. You can chop it roughly or leave it whole. Season with freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix it all together until well combined. Pour the batter into a greased baking dish. Sprinkle 100 grams of shredded cheese evenly over the top. Then add some sliced onion and pepper for extra flavor and crunch. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy vegetarian recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.